So today I'm going to be making a key for 2007-2008 Honda Civic, and the customer just texted me and said that he's at work, but the original key should be inside the vehicle, so we're not gonna bother nobody. We're just gonna pop out and see if we can program this key real quick. The keys are on the seat as the customer stated. So as you can see, this key works. Vehicle starts. So let's go ahead, and this is the original key. So let's go ahead and cut this key. Okay, let's flip this one. Let's make sure this one works. Start, it's gonna turn off because it's not programmed, so it's good. So now let's cut the actual key. Going to put a super chip in this one. Okay. So I'm gonna put a super chip on this one, and I'm gonna try to program this one as well, so that way he has two instead of one. Okay, that's good. Now let's go ahead and let's try to program these keys. Let's get the original key. Let's open the switch. And then we're gonna go to IMO, auto detect. Okay. black key. Yes. We can do immo status. Okay. Yes. Okay. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition off. Insert the new key. Turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on using the same key. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Does the immobilizer indicator lamp goes out? Yes, it goes out. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. And now you can see it has 4 keys. So let's turn it. Let's see if the vehicle starts. Now the vehicle starts and there's no green key flashing. So the key has been successfully programmed. And you can see that the remote is automatically programmed. You can see the lock unlock. So we don't have to do that process separately, which is fantastic. And then I'm gonna try to program this one using a super chip so he can have it as a backup. So I'm gonna open the ignition. Yes. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition using the register key. Turn the ignition off. Insert the new key. Turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Off. Turn the ignition on. Does the immobilizer indicator lamp goes out? Yes, it's out. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. And now it has 5. So let's get them out and let's see if this one works. This one works too. No immobilizer indicator. So now the customer has an emergency key as well. And we did it with a super chip. So now we can close this out. And that's it. And that's how you program a key for 2007, 2008 Honda Civic. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below. And if you have any questions, you can send us a private message and we will try our best to help you out. Stay safe out there and I see you in the next one.